In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover X account if you no longer have access to its recovery email or phone number. It's going to be so easy, so let's start. To recover your X account without email or phone number, you cannot do it here on X app. You need to open a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. In the web address, you need to go to help.x.com. We are going to contact X support to help us recover our X account. The first step is to click on the three lines icon here. Then click on Contact Us. Here we need to select a topic. Just scroll down and find Problems with Account Access. Click on it. We need to select what is our concern all about. Select I need to regain access to my X account. On the Tell Us More, you can select I forgot my password. If your account was hacked, you can also select I believe my account was hacked. In my case, I'm going to select I forgot my password. On how did you sign up for this account, you need to select email or phone number. You just need to select what did you use during the sign up. Of course, we no longer have access to these. I'm going to choose email and they will tell you to reset your password using your email or phone number. But of course, we cannot do that. So we will proceed to the contact form. Here, you need to enter the username of the X account that you want to recover. You also need to enter any valid email address. They will use this email later regarding the next step to finally recover your X account. Here you need to explain to X support what happened to your X account. Once all are done, we can now click on Submit. X support will respond to you through email within a few days regarding the next step to finally recover your X account. If you have questions, just comment down below. I love answering questions.